Cupid Drop Box, 10th anniversary, and it's super heavy. Let's see what's all inside. Is this, I have some of these, but it's a different type. This is the Aromatica Tea Tree Purifying Tonic, and it's for your scalp. So what you do is you'll part your hair before you wash, and you'll spray this onto the scalp. You'll let it soak in for a little bit, rub it in, and then shampoo it out, and it feels really, really good. Teeth Oasis Water Mist. Shake it up, because I always shake stuff like that up. That mist was super fine. It felt good. We'll see how Oasis-y it looks. Do I look Oasis-y? Skincare headband with, I believe this is supposed to be a peach on top of it. House of Balance New Day Herbal Deodorant. I have not tried this yet. It does have vitamin C in it, which I'm using vitamin C on my armpits right now to help brighten them so they don't look so icky. So it looks like good skin. Be Plain Mung Bean Cooling Moisture Sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. Also from Be Plain, this is their Mung Bean pH Balanced Facial Cleansing Wipes. I have not tried these yet, but I like to have these in my bag. Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hyalura Sika Silky Fit Sun Stick. Again, these are great for bags. This is Reset Kombucha Powdered Beverage Mix with pre and probiotics, peach flavored. Now I've had kombucha before, and to me it smells and tastes like Dirty Hippie, but these ones have cute little cartoon characters on them, so it can't taste like a Dirty Hippie. It's one of the rules. I didn't make up the rules. Somebody else made up the rules. I'm just telling you what the rules are. Another from Be Plain. This is a 3-pack, and these are great for whenever I travel. Oil cleanser, we've got the foam cleanser, and we have a clay mask. This Sky bottle, White Rain, this is body wash and body lotion. CosRx is great. Advanced Snail Mucin Gel Cleanser. Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Snail Peptide Eye Creams. Okay, can you tell me what the thing is with these? Why are these popular? Because whenever I was at Ulta Beauty World, a couple of the booths were handing keychains like this out. And it's like, what's this giving? 1950s, 1960s hotel room keys? I don't get it. Shine on Cloud 9, 10 years. I don't get it. I mean, I'll use them. And do you know where I'm going to use them? On some of my makeup skincare bags. I'm definitely going to keep it. I'm definitely going to use it. I just don't get it. Meg Marine Glow Boosting Pads with Seaweed Complex, Panthenol, and Hyaluronic Acid. And the final item is Aromatica, which I do like that brand. Rosemary Salt Scrub Shampoo. Now, I have not used this before. And look at it. Why is the nozzle there, you ask? The nozzle's there so you can get it onto your scalp, which is where apparently this should be. I'm looking forward to trying everything here. Some of them I've tried, some of them I love, some of them I haven't tried. So I'm excited. I'm glad I got the box.